Hello guys, and welcome to Using Page Templates by WA Courses. In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to use page templates when creating pages with WordPress. Okay, so whether you're using the classic editor or Gutenberg, you're often going to run into page templates depending on the theme that you're using for your WordPress projects. So with the intro out of the way, let's get started with the video. So right now I'm currently logged into my WordPress backend and I've created a new page. So I'm currently at the page editor section and I'm currently using a theme called Histia. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks on the front end first. So I'm just going to go to the home page of the site so you can see. Alright, so this is the theme, and these are just a list of different posts that I've created in the past. So I'm just going to go back and view one of these pages. So I just want to show you how the theme looks like first. So right now this is the layout for this post. So this is the default layout for all posts. You have this title here, then you have this container holding your content. So this is not full width, so your content is being held in a container. So this is how all your pages are going to look by default, but with page templates you have the ability to change the look of how your content is going to be displayed for your pages. Okay, so if you want something like full screen or you want the sidebar over here, some themes are going to provide page templates that allow you to do that. So I'm just going to show you how to use them in this video. So I'm going to copy everything here. I'm just going to copy it and go back to the page editor. So here I'm just going to add in test and I'm going to paste in everything that we got from the post. So once you've added your content and you want to play around with how this looks using page templates, you just go over, click on this knob here, this icon, and you go over to the page tab. So then when you're here, just go over to page attributes and you're going to get this extra option called template. So depending on the theme you're using, if your theme does not have custom page template, you're not going to get this option. So it depends on the theme that you're using. So if I click on this, you're going to see there are different kinds of layouts. So we have full width, we have the default one, which is this one. So this is the default one. We also have full width. So let's just try out the full width one. So just select it and click on publish. So let's publish this and see how it looks. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab so we can see the difference. So as you can see, the content here, it's a little bit wider, so it's taking up a larger portion of the screen in the same container. So this is just one of the page templates. Let's check out another one. So I'm just going to edit this post and change this to page with sidebar and update over here. So now if we refresh this should have a sidebar option. So right now I've not created a sidebar for this site, so that's why it's not being displayed. But if you had the sidebar created, it's going to be assigned here at the right hand side. So I'm just going to skip this to page builder blank and update so we see how it looks. So this theme is actually made for different kinds of page builders, Elementor, and Elementor has an option that allows you to create a page from scratch. Okay, so this theme is custom made for Elementor, so it supports Elementor page builder. So that's why we have things like page builder blank and page builder full width. So these are for page builders like Elementor, Divi, and Beaver page builder. So that's why we have these two here. Then we have these three, which are just normal layouts for your normal Histia theme. Okay, so I'm gonna select this, but I'm not sure if it's gonna change the layout. So let's just try it out and see. So okay, so now as you can see, we just have just the content and there's nothing at the top or bottom. So that's just another layout. And as I explained, this is mostly this kind of page template is mostly used when you're creating your page using a page builder like Elementor or Divi. Okay, so those are custom made page builders. This is Gutenberg, and Gutenberg is the default page builder for your site. So if you want to use another type of page builder, like a third-party page builder like Elementor, then these templates are going to come in handy. So full width is just the same thing as a blank, but you get a full width of the page. Okay, and also adds the header and footer. So depending on the theme that you're using, you're going to get different kinds of templates. So these are just the basic ones that come with HTML, and in some cases you can create custom page templates, but that is beyond the scope of this video. Okay, so it's very easy to use. You can do this exact same thing on the classic editor. This option is also available in the classic editor, so it's very straightforward and easy to use. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.